you want to know how to make this cool distort trippy effect. So once after trimming the adjustment layer to my clip, I'm going to add s_distort. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to put the amount to 0.5. Blur lens at 39. Rotate warp direction. I'm going to head towards the beginning of our clip. I'm going to put it at 242 at the start. I'm going to click right here on the little time watch. Open up our keyframes. I'm going to head towards the end. I'm going to put it up to 602. I'm going to highlight all my keyframes right here. Next, I'm going to add as invert. I'm going to head down to hue. You can already see like the effect coming out. Then I'm going to add s_glow. Then I'm going to put the threshold to 0.09. That is all the effects. Before I show you guys the final product, I just want to say to those who stuck to the end and learned something today, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. And yeah, this is your final product.